The Earth's magnetic shift is happening right now, and it is an event that has been foreseen in many prophecies throughout history. Scientists are now confirming that changes in the planet's magnetic field are speeding up, affecting everything from technology to human consciousness. While some might fear this shift, it actually offers an opportunity for growth and transformation. Understanding this change is crucial to preparing ourselves mentally, physically, and spiritually. In this video, we will look at how this shift is influencing our world and what you can do to stay aligned with these powerful changes. The Great Shift is already in motion. The Earth's magnetic shift is no longer something distant in the future, it is happening now. This shift refers to changes in the planet's magnetic field, which is created by the movement of molten iron within the Earth's core. Scientists have been monitoring these changes for years, but recent data shows that the shift is occurring faster than ever before. The North Pole, which once moved slowly, is now shifting quickly towards Russia. This movement affects many things, including navigation systems, communication technology, and even wildlife that depend on the Earth's magnetic field to navigate during migration. While some people may feel uneasy about these changes, it's important to realize that shifts in the Earth's magnetic field have happened throughout history. What makes this particular shift unique is its speed and the modern world's dependence on technology. GPS systems, satellites, and power grids all rely on the stability of the magnetic field, and as it changes, adjustments will need to be made to keep these systems functioning properly. Beyond technology, the magnetic shift is believed to be impacting human consciousness and well-being. Some people report feeling more intuitive or experiencing strange physical sensations. This is because the Earth's magnetic field interacts with our energy fields, which influences our mental and emotional states. Many spiritual traditions have predicted that humanity would experience a collective awakening, and this shift may be part of that process. Preparing for this shift means staying informed and adaptable. By being aware of scientific updates and tuning into our inner selves, we can navigate this change with confidence. Instead of fearing the shift, embracing it allows us to align with the natural evolution of our planet. The Earth's magnetic field is an invisible force that surrounds the planet, protecting it from harmful solar radiation and cosmic particles. It is created by the movement of molten iron and nickel in the Earth's outer core, generating electrical currents that form this protective shield. Without the magnetic field, life on Earth would be exposed to extreme radiation from the sun, making it difficult for living organisms to survive. One of the key functions of the magnetic field is guiding navigation. From ancient explorers using compasses to modern GPS satellites, the magnetic field has been an essential tool for finding direction. Birds, fish, and other animals also rely on it for migration, sensing subtle changes in the magnetic environment to find their way. However, the Earth's magnetic field is not fixed, it is constantly shifting, sometimes slowly, sometimes rapidly. Throughout history, the poles have flipped several times, a process known as geomagnetic reversal. During these reversals, the strength of the field weakens before stabilizing again. Scientists estimate that the last full reversal happened about 780,000 years ago. Today, the Earth's magnetic field is changing more quickly than before. There is growing concern about the effects of this on technology and human health. Electrical grids, aviation systems, and space missions are all vulnerable to fluctuations in magnetic activity. Some researchers even believe that the weakening field could affect the human body, impacting sleep patterns, mood, and cognitive function. Understanding the magnetic field helps us appreciate its importance and adapt to these ongoing changes. By staying connected to nature and reducing exposure to electromagnetic disruptions, we can maintain balance during this time of transformation. Many ancient cultures and spiritual traditions have spoken of a great shift in the Earth's energy, aligning with what scientists now see as the magnetic shift. Indigenous wisdom from various cultures, including the Hopi, Mayan, and Vedic traditions, has long foretold a time when the Earth would undergo significant energetic changes. These prophecies often describe a period of transition, where humanity will face challenges but ultimately experience a profound awakening. The Hopi, for example, speak of a great purification, where the world will cleanse itself of negative energies, leading to a new era of peace and unity. Similarly, the end of the Mayan calendar in 2012 was not a prediction of destruction but rather the start of a new cycle of consciousness and planetary change. Spiritual leaders across different faiths have also pointed to the Earth's energy shifts as a sign of transformation. Some believe this magnetic shift is part of humanity's ascension to a higher state of consciousness, marking a time when people will become more connected to their intuition, experience greater empathy, and awaken to their true potential. While these prophecies may seem mystical, they align with modern observations of increased awareness and interest in spirituality. More people are seeking holistic lifestyles, meditation practices, and deeper connections with the Earth. This widespread shift in consciousness suggests that the magnetic changes could be having a profound impact on humanity. Recognizing these prophecies provides hope and encourages us to embrace the shift with a positive mindset. Instead of fearing the unknown, we can use this time as an opportunity to align with the higher vibrations of the planet and elevate our collective consciousness. Scientists have been closely monitoring the Earth's magnetic field for decades, and their findings confirm that significant changes are taking place. Using data collected from satellites, ground-based observatories, and oceanic surveys, researchers have observed a steady weakening of the magnetic field, especially over the South Atlantic region, which is known as the South Atlantic anomaly. One of the most noticeable changes is the rapid movement of the North Magnetic Pole. In the past century, it has shifted from Canada towards Russia at an accelerated pace. This movement affects navigation systems, including compasses and GPS technology, requiring constant recalibration to ensure accuracy. The Earth's magnetic shift is not just an invisible process happening in the background. There are visible signs around us indicating that this change is in progress. One noticeable sign is the instability of compasses and navigation systems. Pilots and sailors have reported more frequent deviations in their instruments, requiring recalibration. Another clear indication is the unusual behavior of animals. Birds, whales, and other migratory creatures that depend on the Earth's magnetic field for navigation have been observed to change their routes or get lost. Reports of whales stranding on beaches and birds flying off course have been linked to magnetic field shifts that confuse their natural instincts. Auroras, those beautiful natural light displays typically seen near the poles, are also appearing in unusual locations. As the magnetic field weakens, solar particles penetrate deeper into the atmosphere, making auroras visible farther south than usual. If you notice auroras in unexpected places, it could be a sign that the Earth's shield is changing. Additionally, the Earth's climate is experiencing shifts. Some scientists believe that magnetic fluctuations might be subtly influencing weather patterns, contributing to extreme weather events and temperature changes. While climate change plays a role, the weakening magnetic field might also contribute to these changes in subtle ways.